วัสดีค่ะ I am Bud. Welcome to Learn Thai with Buza. All videos in this playlist is aimed to introduce each sound of Thai consonants, and this video is about the sound of go.
At the time of preparing this video, I decided not to use English alphabet to spell Thai sounds, so you won't see any reading guide for each sound. The reason is Thai language is a vowel-oriented. That is, vowel combination play a major role in spoken sound. This video aims to help you familiarize with the sounds, so I recommend the most natural and simplest way. That is, I encourage you to keep focus on the sound you hear. Listen carefully and mimic the sound. Do it again and again. Your ear and your brain will be trained to understand more and more Thai sound. In addition, if you are now in Thailand, you may come across many road signs and nameplates in which the transliterated written forms may or may not congruent with the sounds that local people speak in everyday life. I will show you some example of these words in the last slide of this video. From the last page of the first video in this playlist, you've know that of 44 letters, we've got only 21 sounds, which can be grouped by their sound into 3 groups, and the sound of go is in the medium class. This slide is just to let you know basic information. You don't need to remember. But if you want to go on to a further step, this information will benefit you.
Let's start. กอไก่กอไก่ Go sound is similar to g sound in English, like gun, gang, giggle. For examples, ไก่ กิน ก้าง เกิด กับ In written Thai name of places and people, go is always transliterated to k, but pronounced g. These are name of places in Thailand. กระบี่ กระบี่ บางกอก บางกอก กาญจนบุรี กาญจนบุรี And these are name of Thai people. กันยา กันยา เกรียงไกร เกรียงไกร
How do you feel about this video? I hope you enjoy learning the sound. And if you have any comments, please leave it below. The next sound of Thai consonant is coming soon. Please subscribe and you won't miss out. And please share this to your friends so they can learn with you. Thank you for watching. See you then.